Twin 76 Precisions, Coyote, obviously, still stock blocks, been sleeved, good rosin pistons in it, still stock boss crank in it, RPM, turbo 400, 10 soldier race cars did all the chassis work on it. My shop, we finished it, Target Automotive Performance, finished the build from there. We did drag week with it last year, best it's been 811, 176.
Right.
This is really the first time we've had it out this year. So.
What kind of things are you working with, trying to figure out as it's?
So we've been changing converters up. We've had 2 different converters in it.
Okay.
This converter that's in there now is still too tight. We've got another converter to bolt together. We need a different stator for it and get it in here and try to get the thing where to leave. It's never 60 footed better than like a 135, so it's horrible off the start line.
Do you have any idea how much power it makes, or?
You know, I don't know. I mean, we have a dyno, but we've never really put it on there and hammered on it. We just put it on there to break it in and get it halfway right. It's probably somewhere in the 1500 range to the tire, you know, thereabouts. So.
So is there any kind of funny story maybe along the way that you've encountered somewhere, or something that maybe just by looking at the car somebody wouldn't know about?
Right before drag week, Thursday before drag week, we're supposed to leave that Saturday, and we're servicing the car and pull the paint off the transmission. It's full of metal.
Oh, man.
So, and this was prior to RPM doing the transmission. Somebody else had done the transmission.
Right.
So Brent's really good friends with Rodney at RPM, and we called Rodney and said, "Hey, here's what we got." He said, "I'm at LS Fest in Bowling Green."
Right.
I said, "Okay." He said, "I tell you what, get your other transmission. We have another 400, and get the one out of the Mustang, and come down to LS Fest." This was like 10 o'clock at night.
Right.
So somehow he gets us in the gate. Maybe I shouldn't be saying that, but he did. He gets us in the gate, and we come in here in the middle of the night and have each transmission laid out on the tailgate of the truck and take enough parts out of these 2 to build 1, and that's what we run all through drag week. So,
wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a story.
Yeah, if it wasn't for Rodney, we wouldn't have made it. So.
Right. That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, I wish you the best of luck. Oh yeah, the one last question is, where are you guys out of?
Evansville, Indiana.
Awesome. And any other plugs? Anybody you wanted to maybe shout out or anything like that? It's always the worst because everybody always forgets somebody.
Yeah. Well, Holly EFI has Holly EFI on it. I didn't mention that. I should have.
Right.
All the shocks are Avco Minsker shocks and struts. That'd be the other ones really I need to probably mention. TBM brakes, got TBM brakes on it. They take good care of me too. So.